How to unfollow someone in Sausage Man. Hello everyone, welcome back to Crazy Gamer. If you are in Sausage Man and want to unfollow a player, then first of all, open the Sausage Man app and sign into your account. From the main lobby screen, go to the right hand corner and tap on Social. From the Social tab, you will see all of the people that you followed inside the Follow tab. Go ahead and select the person you want to unfollow and tap on the gear icon at the right corner once selecting the person. Now click on Unfollow and click Confirm. After you do that, you have successfully unfollowed someone in Sausage Man. So that's how it's done. You can follow them again at any time by visiting their profile and tapping on follow. And that's how you unfollow someone on Sausage Man. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.